Okay, in this video, we're going to look at a scatter plot. So let's look at these two graphs here. So we got the one on the left, and this is pay versus hours, and also on the right, pay versus hours. Now, first thing we notice about the one on the left is that if we were to connect those dots, and I'm going to do so right now, they would make a perfect straight line. Now, looking down at the table of values, if I do the first difference, that confirms that that's going to be a straight line because the first difference is consistent. Now, for the second graph, you could tell if we were to connect those graph points, would not get a perfect straight line. And the first difference here confirms that because, as we see, as the hours increase, the pay does increase. See, we go from 25, 26, 30, 33, 36, 43. But the first differences are not equal. So that right there is an indication that it's going to be a scatter plot. So a scatter plot, you don't want to connect the points. What you want to do is you want to create a line of best fit. So when you're creating a line of best fit, there's three things you follow. So you follow the trend. I'm going to explain that in a minute. You go through as many points as you can, and you try and have an equal amount of points above and below your line. So when we go up to this one, following the trend means these points are going up. So I am not going to draw a line of best fit going down. That would not be following the trend. Now, I'm going to try and go through as many points as I can, and I'm going to try and get an equal amount above and below. So if I were to do this, that would be a pretty good line of best fit. Try to go through as many points as I can. See, I hit this one. And try to have the same amount of points above and below. Lines of best fit take a little bit of practice, and they're going to look slightly different than somebody else doing the same problem. Now, for instance, this right here, if I were to do this, that would not be a good line of best fit. That's not even close to the points. Same thing here for this one. So lines of best fits take a little bit of practice. Now, what I'm going to say though, this one right here looks like a pretty strong, write that down, pretty strong correlation. What that means is that the points are fairly close to my line of best fit. If the points were way off, then you would have a weak correlation. And if you couldn't even get a line of best fit, if you didn't really know where to draw the line, then it would be too scattered and there would be absolutely no pattern to the relationship. So in the next video, we're going to look at